everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I have a cleaning video for you guys because I haven't been doing much cooking because I'm having the worst acid reflux of my entire life, and I've been dealing with some legal stuff, so there's been not much cooking going on, but hopefully things will get better and I'll get back on my feet and there will be more cooking videos coming. So I'm gonna start the cleaning with burning some essential oils. It's my favorite thing to do. The good smell always helps. So while I was sick in bed and dealing with some legal stuff on the phone, my two kids actually decided to do some artwork on my cupboards and on my walls. And I'm doing this video to actually document it because when they grow older, I'm gonna go to their home and give them the same service. And also, if there's another mom out there who's dealing with the same situation and going crazy, I wanted to share you guys how I get rid of all these crayons. So I'm using the Clorox cleaner and bleach. I'm gonna first wipe them down with Clorox and Bounty because I also gave them peanut butter jelly sandwiches and they smeared that on my cupboards too. Then I'm gonna use the magic eraser from Mr. Clean. I cannot tell you enough good things about this thing. This video is not sponsored, but I use the magic eraser on the cupboards, I use it on the walls, I use it on the tiles. It works beautifully on everything, especially if you pair it with Clorox. It's magic. But if you are like me and if you have carpet under your cupboards and walls, and if you're gonna use Clorox, put a towel on your floors, on your carpets, because Clorox will stain it. It will make it go lighter. It did stain my carpet, so just a little disclaimer out there. If you're gonna use this system, definitely put some towel on top of your carpets. Yep. So this is what I'm doing. I'm just spraying with some Clorox. I'm then taking it all off with magic marker. Then I'm going in with some Bounty and wiping the excess, like the water, the Clorox that comes down with the paint. Yeah, so I'm gonna just keep doing that. Yeah, here I'm dealing with the smeared and dried peanut butter jelly sandwich. As you can see, I have some over here too. I'm just spraying them with Clorox, letting it get a little bit softer because it dried up. A joy to clean, really. So as you can see, I'm just repeating the same process. I'm using Clorox, wiping with magic eraser and wiping then again with the Bounty. This technique works great with walls too. I use the same technique cleaning my walls, and I also have a room that's the walls are wood, so it works really well on the wood too. So yeah, you can use it on any surface you like, the same technique, the Clorox magic eraser and Bounty. Yep, so I'm gonna clean all the cupboards with the same technique. Now that I finished cleaning the cupboards, I'm gonna just wipe it down with the Bleach Beautify It wipes. I got them from Target and I love the smell, and it gives like a nice little shine to the cupboards. I love to finish with this product. And on the glass of the cupboards, I'm gonna use the Windex wipes. I love these wipes too, they're so easy to use. So there's no separate thing for spraying and wiping. You just take one out of the bucket and wipe and you're done, and they do a really good job. So yep, my cleaning is done with the wiping of the windows and the glass. So this is the final product. As you can see, all the crayons and the dried up peanut butter jelly sandwich residue is gone. They look nice and shiny. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you found it useful, and thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe. I'm a new channel, it really helps my channel. Thank you so much. Bye.